Want to reset your Ninja Double Oven back to its original defaults? If the oven is stuck on unusual settings, shade levels, or cook times, here's how to clear everything and restore factory defaults. Step 1. Use the button Reset shortcut. With the oven powered on, press and hold the time, slices, and temp shade buttons together for 5 seconds. Use the top oven controls. The display will blink and return each function to its original defaults. Step 2. Perform a power reset. Unplug the oven from the wall for 2 minutes. While unplugged, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to fully discharge the system. Plug straight into a wall outlet and press power. Step 3. Wake it from standby. If the display stays dark after a reset, press the power button once more to wake it. The oven goes into standby after 10 minutes of inactivity and won't light up until you wake it. Step 4. Clean the panel before testing. Now that the reset is done, make sure dirt, grease, or dust isn't confusing the buttons. Wipe the control panel with a soft microfiber cloth. I've linked the one I use in the description. It's lint-free, non-abrasive, and safe for glass. Step 5. Select a cooking function. Choose a simple setting like toast or bake to confirm default times and temperatures are restored. If your oven still won't reset after these steps, there may be an internal control fault. Contact Ninja support using the link in the description before trying again. If this helped you reset your oven back to normal, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a microfiber cloth for safe wipe downs, I've linked the one I use below. It's lint-free, non-abrasive, and keeps the control panel clear. Thanks for watching, and keep it clean.